How to monitor clock-out compliance in real time. If you want to monitor employee clock-in and clock-out activity in real time using the timesheet module, here's how it works. In this example, we can see that Fernando Perez, a security officer, is currently clocked in. You can identify this by the icon displayed next to his entry, which indicates that a shift is currently in progress. Once the employee clocks out using the mobohubb mobile app, that icon will be replaced with a summary of the completed shift. This summary shows the total number of hours the employee worked during that session. If you need more detailed information, simply click the three dots next to the entry. Here you'll be able to view additional details, including the total time worked. For a complete history of the session, click Audit Log. The audit log provides a detailed record of the employee's activity, including exactly when they clocked in, when they clocked out, and any other relevant information related to that timesheet entry.